We sing happy birthday.
Good morning, everybody. And for those who haven't seen these vlogs before, today is actually my 33 years birthday. So happy birthday to me. Today I was supposed to go to work last evening. My boss called me and said I could just stay home. There hasn't been anyone. So I actually slept in. And my kittens has been, as you can see, what should I call you? Cuddly? More cuddly than normal, maybe? Yeah. I have seen you. But the clock is 20 minutes to 10 in the morning. And I am right now listening to an audiobook when I was eating. I just want to finish it. It got about 3 minutes left. And then I am simply gonna go to Skive, buy something for my dinner. And I am gonna buy a birthday cake for me also. Because it's very rare I do get a birthday cake. And also I am not getting any gifts, so that's why I went to the cinema to watch Transformers 5 last night. That was one of my gifts to myself. The last couple of years I have been, or at least several years, if I buy something for myself for a gift, it's something like a box of crafty things, or it's a trip somewhere, like to the zoo or something like that, or it could be a trip to the cinema. That's kind of what I'm buying for myself every single time, whenever it's birthday or Christmas time. So that's kind of how it is around here. Because in our family, when you get around 15 or 16 years old, you don't get any gift, rather for birthday or for Christmas anymore. Which is against my rule, if you ask me, because I believe that it's good to get gifts, because that keep people in mind that they also have to give something back. Not everything is free. But that's the family rule, and even though I do not agree with it, I can't do anything about it. But I can buy a gift for myself, so that's kind of where we are at. But let me just listen these minutes finished, and then we're going to Skive. Well, I really need to take care of that camera angle. It's getting more and more worse for every single time. Well, Stop that. The fact is, guys, I'm finally out the door. And just before I shut down the computer, the Lie and Hobby page I usually get my hobby journals from just uploaded a couple of new things which I went in and looked for, and I found something I really liked, actually something I have been looking for, and this will actually save me a lot of time, let's just say it like that. So I ordered that, which is around 300. I just bought for myself, which is another birthday gift for me. And one thing I'm more going to do is I am actually gonna go out to Dommerby, which is on the other side of Skive, because there is a hobby shop there too, and there is also in that shop a newspaper company. It's actually in the same building. It's the lady that owned the newspaper that actually have the hobby shop. She owns the both. So I think I will go out there and see if she has something I want and can not live without, let's say like that. And then I will go on a little bit of a shopping spree for some groceries and for that birthday cake. Because my father also called me if he could go and cut his hesje. And we agreed on we're gonna do that tomorrow. So I still have today off because truth be told, I don't want to do anything today, but I do know I need to clean. Because it's a good weather, it's sunshine, which is here in Denmark we usually say if the sun is shining and it's good weather, you have been very nice all year. That's how we say it the last year since your last birthday. You've been very nice to people and around people. So that's your award. That's a good weather on your birthday. So if it's raining, it's thundering, it's that kind of stuff, hail, then you have been bad. But sometimes if it has been a very dry season and on your birthday it gets hail and rain and stormy, well, I have a habit to say, well, I'm just nice to the farmers that need water to the plants. That's usually what I say. It's because it's the 4th of July, and I know anyone in US are having fireworks and that kind of stuff. I know there are a couple of places in Denmark we are having fireworks also, but I believe it's up far north from where I live. I'm never a part of it. I'm just sitting home alone. But the fact is, the 4th of July is only 1 out of 10 there's a rainy one. And I have 43 now on me, and I believe there's actually only been 2. I remember there's been raining 2 out of 33. So 1 out of 10 will be raining days. Well guys, I am finally home, so let me show you what I bought. I bought this Italian bread, so I got some bread for breakfast. I got some buffalo buns, tomatoes, cucumber, iceberg salad, red and yellow peppers, cheese in slices, and some meat from a bowl. And yeah, I'm barely home and you guys are already hanging on my feet. I bought one thing more. that's my cake. Well, I don't know how well this day with editing is gonna happen, because I found a happy birthday song and I'll see if I can get it to play the music and not the video. So that's what I'll try, but I don't know how well that's gonna happen. When you see this blog, you'll know how well it went. But what I also did was, as I told you, I went out to a shop on the other side of Skive to see if there was something I wanted. And there were. So because it was my birthday, I got these for free. Thank you. Then I bought some, let me flip you around. I bought some big tags, which I really wanted, to be honest. So I got that one, and this one. Then I bought a stencil, stamp, another stencil, die, some markets, and this one, because I needed a baby card that were in the right size, so I thought this one will be a really good one to use. So that's kind of why I wanted this one. What I also did when I was on my way home, I went by my father, and he has a bigger collection of DVDs than I have, original DVDs. And I decided that I wanted to watch all the Transformers from the beginning. Apparently he doesn't have, because he has been packing some of them down when he was moving around, and he haven't gotten all of them up. So I'm missing one, but I may have that one myself. I'm not entirely sure about that, but who knows. But I think I'm gonna watch those. And in the meantime, when I'm watching those, I'm also gonna wash some of all those blankets I have, and even when I turn with the vacuumer, because I do need to vacuum the house. So I'll get some cleaning in today, which was my plan anyway. And what am I more gonna do? Yeah, those groceries I just bought, those are actually for burgers, for those who did not recognize the groceries. But I want to make some burgers, and that will supply me with burgers for the next 3 or 4 days, depending if I'm eating 1 or 2 a day. If I'm eating 2, I will have for at least 3 days. After, I'm not eating only 1 today, so that can give me 4 days of food, which will be perfect for me, because I can get 6 burgers out of that pack of meat without a problem. Because I like, if I'm gonna get that kind of meat, the real meat from a cow, I am gonna make sure I get a nice, really nice slice or beef, call what you want. And it's not very often I actually get that. So unless I'm getting it when I'm out getting food from somewhere else, or if I once in a while go out and buy it, that's the only time I'm getting it. That's just how it is. well, watch a movie, played some games, handling some laundry, and vacuumed. That's kind of what I've been doing since last I talked to you guys. But sorry, I had something in my throat. The clock is 5 in the afternoon, and I am pretty sure I need to go to work tonight, because with that good weather we are having today, I can't see why there should not be anyone down over at the diner. So thank you for being by on my birthday, and for everyone that are living in the US and everyone else that are having Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, the 4th of July, and I'll see you tomorrow.